Christian Magoon is with us now, CEO of Amplify ETFs. I think the market has kind of shrugged off the inflation news. I mean, we're just about dead flat right now. Do you, Christian Magoon, take that as a buy signal, buy stocks, do you?
I don't yet, Stuart. I'm still cautious. I think there's kind of this weird position we're in right now where good news for the economy is kind of bad news for the stock market. So other data could be forthcoming that could push us down to retest those lows. I still don't think we're out of the woods yet.
Okay. Again, that's a technical expression, retest the lows. That means we go back down to 23,000 and change on the Dow Industrials, correct?
Yeah, I think we definitely could. You know, last week when we talked on the phone, I thought we could see another decline almost to 1,000 points, and unfortunately we did. I think we still could be in for another decline of maybe 800-900 points potentially from here. There's just an angst out there that these rates are going to rise too quickly by too much and tamp down the attractiveness of stocks, reprice stocks. Until we kind of understand where the Fed's going to be, I think the market is kind of very skittish here. The market doesn't like uncertainty, and that's where we're at right now, Stuart.
I do take your point, but, you know, the yield on the 10-year Treasury has only gone up to 2.87%. Historically, that's still very low.
I absolutely agree with you. I'm long-term bullish. I just think here in the next month or so, there's some data that needs to be worked through, some guidance from the Fed. So we still are owners of equities and believe that over the long term, more than several months, investors are going to be rewarded here. I just think in the short term, in the next month or so, there could be a chance to get some better bargains than today.
Okay, I want to talk about oil. I think the news recently has been terrific. Our frackers are pumping out a great deal of oil, and the price is down to $59 a barrel. I say that's cheap oil. My question to you is cheap oil here to stay?
Well, I think the macro trend is that, yeah, cheaper oil is here to stay. I think this is an area that the Trump administration doesn't get a lot of credit for. They've really kind of reduced some of the regulatory burden here, so the U.S. is producing more than ever. As you said earlier, more than Saudi Arabia. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, really.
The trend towards electric vehicles and other types of energy-efficient technologies. I think lower oil is here to stay, but, you know, there's always these weird price spikes because of risks like tensions in the Middle East. For sure. Look,
I happen to love cheap oil because I like cheap gas, and I think it's a real good thing. Let's all hail the American fracker. Christian Magoon, thanks for joining us, sir. We'll see you again soon.